Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Upwork challenge app. So all you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings and come to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on notification settings here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just go above email updates, click on it. When you click here on email, sorry, when you click here on email updates, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here, keep going down. Then you come here to freelancer and agency proposals, and you come here to a proposal is withdrawn. So click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,